Hey guys, here's a few tips when considering flooring options for your basement. I'm Paul from Contract Renovation and Custom Homes. Welcome to the Art of Renovation. So here we wrapped up a basement development recently, and in this instance we've got an LVP, so a luxury vinyl plank flooring product. But one thing we did to keep the cold off the feet is we added a cork underlay, and that helps to both soften the floor and kind of warm it up a little bit so that it's not quite as cold on the feet. But there's lots of options out there for you in your basement. I mean, obviously, carpet and pad is one way to approach it, but many people want something a little easier to clean and lower maintenance. So you'll have options like waterproof laminate flooring. You can do engineered hardwood. You can install raised subfloors, insulated subfloors. There's lots of different ways to approach it. In this case, we added about a 3mm cork underlay. That adds about $1.50 or so a square foot, depending where you live. Whereas if you did a raised subfloor, that could add potentially $5 to $7 a square foot. So there's a big difference in price, but I think in the end, you need to think about it in advance to make sure that you have a product you're comfortable with, that feels nice, is easy to maintain, but mostly you want to avoid that cold basement floor. If you have any questions, please reach out in the comments. I'm Paul from Contract Renovations. Thanks for tuning in and have a great day.